Dongguan Tencent Plastic Packaging Product Company Limited is located in Dongguan, Guangdong Province. Established in 2011, we are a professional factory for making all kinds of custom packaging products. Our factory is equipped with over 30 international cutting-edge devices, including a 9-color UV Heidelberg printing machine from Germany, which is equipped with a high-precision color management system. Our R&D team is led by senior engineers with over 10 years of industry experience, focusing on packaging structure innovation and material optimizations. We can respond quickly to customer needs, completing the deadline design within 2 hours and finished printed samples within 3 days. We offer a one-stop service covering the entire chain from concept design, 3D sampling to mass production. We strictly adhere to the ISO 9001 quality management system throughout the entire process, establishing a 3-level quality control mechanism of raw material inspection, process monitoring, and finished product spot checks to ensure that each batch of products meets international environmental protection and safety standards. We have now obtained ISO 9001 quality system certification, Disney FAMA, FSC, BSCI, and RoHS test reports. Our products are sold in more than 20 countries and regions in Europe, America, and Southeast Asia, providing custom-built packaging solutions for leading brands in the beauty, electronics, food, and other industries. We drive quality with technology and optimize services with efficiency. We sincerely invite global customers to work together to build a value benchmark in the high-end color box packaging field.